Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Dockerized home automation stack with backups, full guide step by step clearly. Before you start backing up your Dockerized home automation stack, ensure you have Docker installed and running on your system. First, identify the containers that make up your home automation stack. You can do this by running the command docker ps in your terminal. This will display all active containers along with their IDs and names. Next, choose a location on your file system where you want to store your backups. It's advisable to use an external drive or a separate partition to prevent data loss. Now, let's export your container configurations. For each container, run the command docker export container_name o backup_location/container_name.tar. Replace container_name with the name of your container, and backup_location with your chosen backup path. This command will create a tar file containing the file system of your container. Repeat this step for each of your containers to ensure a complete backup. Next, you'll want to back up any volumes associated with your containers. Volumes store persistent data and are crucial for your setup. Use the command docker volume ls to list all your Docker volumes. For each volume, run docker run rmv volume_name/data v backup_location/backup alpine tar czf/backup/volume_name.tar.gzc/data. Make sure to replace volume_name and backup_location accordingly. This command will create a compressed tarball of your volume data. Once all your container files and volume data are backed up, check that your backup files exist in your chosen location. It's a good idea to keep a log of your backup operations, noting down dates and the containers or volumes that you've backed up. Consider automating your backup process using a cron job if you're using a Linux system. A simple cron job can run a backup script at regular intervals. Finally, always test restoring your backup to ensure everything works smoothly. This ensures that your backup process is reliable and your home automation stack stays online. And there you go, your Dockerized home automation stack is safely backed up and ready for any unforeseen circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.